everyone, this is English Tutor Hub official channel and welcome. In today's video, we're gonna be looking at demonstrative pronoun, a super guide for beginners. Let's get started. Demonstrative pronoun. A demonstrative pronoun is a word used to point to a particular person, place, animal, object, idea, concept, and others. What is a demonstrative pronoun? A demonstrative pronoun is a word used to point to a particular person, place, animal, object, idea, concept, and others. Demonstrative pronouns are used in sentences to specify something of the same class and distinguish it from the others. The most common demonstrative pronouns are this, that, these, and those. The best tip to identify a demonstrative pronoun is to see if the demonstrative pronoun refers to a previously mentioned noun. Demonstrative pronouns are contrasted with demonstrative adjectives. What is a demonstrative pronoun? How to identify a demonstrative pronoun? How are demonstrative pronouns compared with demonstrative adjectives? Are the frequent questions we've discussed in this video? Continue to watch to learn demonstrative pronoun meaning, definition, types, rules, and example sentences with clear explanation. This video covers demonstrative pronoun, meaning and definition, examples of demonstrative pronouns, types of demonstrative pronouns, demonstrative pronoun and demonstrative adjective, how to use demonstrative pronouns, and frequently asked questions or facts, demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun meaning and definition. What does a demonstrative pronoun mean? The word demonstrative in the phrase demonstrative pronoun means something such as some word that points to something else, while the word pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun previously mentioned. What is the definition of a demonstrative pronoun? A demonstrative pronoun is a word used to point to a particular person, animal, object, idea, concept, belief, and others. Here are a few examples of demonstrative pronouns. Examples of demonstrative pronouns. Number 1, this is my pen. This is my pen. Number 2, that is your book. That is your book. Number 3, these are our classmates. These are our classmates. Number 4, those are John's friends. Those are John's friends. Explanation. In example 1, the word this is a demonstrative pronoun used for the pen that is near me. In example 2, the word that is a demonstrative pronoun used for the book that is distant from you. In example 3, the word this is a demonstrative pronoun used for the classmates who are near us. In example 4, the word those is a demonstrative pronoun used for John's friends who are distant from him. Now remember that the person, animal, object pointed to can be near you or distant from you. Therefore, we put demonstrative pronouns in the following categories. Types of demonstrative pronouns with examples. Demonstrative pronouns can be classified on whether they are near or far and whether they are singular or plural. Therefore, we have the following 4 types of demonstrative pronouns. 1. Singular demonstrative pronoun for nearness. The singular demonstrative pronoun for something near is this, which can be used to refer to a person, animal, or object located nearby. Examples: A. This is my friend John. B. Is this your dog? C. This is my laptop. Number 2. Singular demonstrative pronoun for distance. The singular demonstrative pronoun for distance is that which is used to point to a person, animal, or object located at a distant place. Examples: A. That is my book. B. Is that your friend? C. That is my laptop. Number 3. Plural demonstrative pronoun for nearness. The plural demonstrative pronoun for nearness is this, which is used to refer to people, animals, or objects located near. Examples: A. These are my friends. B. These are your pens. C. Are these his books? Number 4. Plural demonstrative pronoun for distance. The plural demonstrative pronoun for distance is those, which is used to point to people, animals, or objects located at a distant place. Examples: A. Those are my friends. B. Those are your pens. C. Are those your books? You'll be immediately confused if you don't know the difference between demonstrative pronoun and demonstrative adjective. Therefore, we discuss below the difference between the two. Demonstrative pronoun and demonstrative adjective. The demonstrative pronouns and demonstrative adjectives are different in the sense that the demonstrative pronouns are used in place of nouns to refer to them, whereas the demonstrative adjectives are used before nouns to describe or modify them. Examples of demonstrative pronouns: A. This is my pen. B. That is your book. C. These are my friends. D. Those are your friends. Examples of demonstrative adjectives: A. This pen is mine. B. That book is yours. C. These friends are mine. D. Those friends are yours. How to use demonstrative pronouns? Here are the 2 usage guidelines and rules for how to use demonstrative pronouns. Rule 1. Use a singular demonstrative pronoun to refer to a single person, animal, object. For example, this is my phone. That is your laptop. Rule 2. Use a plural demonstrative pronoun to refer to more than one person, place, animal, or object. For example, A. These are my pens. B. Those are your books. Facts or frequently asked questions. Demonstrative pronoun. What is a demonstrative pronoun? A demonstrative pronoun is a word used to point to a particular person, animal, object, idea, concept, belief, and others. Demonstrative pronouns are used in sentences to specify something of the same class and distinguish it from the others. The most common demonstrative pronouns are this, that, this, and those. What are the 4 demonstrative pronouns? The demonstrative pronouns are this, that, this, and those. This is used for some single person, place, animal, or object located near. That is used for some single person, place, animal, or object located at a distant place. This is used for people, places, animals, or objects located near. Those is used for people, places, animals, or objects located at a distant place. 10 demonstrative pronoun sentences. Number 1, this is my pen. This is my pen. Number 2, this is my laptop. This is my laptop. Number 3, that is your book. That is your book. Number 4, these are my friends. These are my friends. Number 5, these are your classmates. These are your classmates. Number 6, those are your friends. Those are your friends. Number 7, those are your books. Those are your books. These are animals. These are animals. These are my roommates. These are my roommates. Number 10, those are his supporters. Those are his supporters. So this video ends here about demonstrative pronoun, a super guide for beginners. Thanks for watching.